Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you all doing? Hope you guys are fine. So in today's video I'm going to share one of the most trending toy of 2021. So guys, this is Pop It Up Bubble. It is almost like a bubble wrap using which we pop up and play, but the difference is that you will have never ending fun here because it is going to be like a cycle. You can use it again and again, unlike the bubble wrap. In bubble wrap, if you press once you will get sound, pop-up sound, and then it's gone. But here you can just push, pop again. If you turn, you can again pop. So it's a never ending process. You can pop again. Once everything is done, you can turn and again you can pop. So it's like you can play with this n number of times, and this comes in various designs. I'll mention what all designs I have come across. We got this unicorn pop-up for Zohan. He himself selected this, and we got this in Express Avenue. It's available everywhere. I'll mention if it's available in Amazon. I'll try to mention the link in the description box as well, and also it is available in most of the Instagram pages. You can definitely check out. We got this for 200 rupees, and it is worth the money definitely. This is designed basically to provide tactile and sensory experience for children who may actually benefit from that extra assistance to focus. This is something which is similar to bubble wrap, but you will have unlimited popping fun experience with this. This is made of silicone and this is non-toxic. It does not have any odor, so it is definitely safe for your children. It is soft, comfortable, and also it can be washed. If you have a dishwasher, you can wash it using dishwasher as well, and also this is microwave safe. So as you can see, this is a silicone thing, nothing will happen. So you can get this with the purpose of safety. It is very safe for your kids. Another thing is that it is very easy and handy to carry wherever you go. I mean, your kids will definitely love it. Now let's talk about some of the benefits of Pop It Up Bubble. First thing is it increases focus and concentration level with your kids. Your kids will start focusing and concentrating because once they click, once they press and pop up, you will get a sound. So this will definitely help in improving their concentration and focusing capacity. The next benefit is that it is a great stress buster. It is anxiety reliever. You can simply calm down a crying baby, a crying kid with this. If your kids are throwing tantrum, then just hand over this toy and it will help them calm down. So basically it's a very good toy for relieving stress. This provides fun mental occupation. The best thing is that it develops fine motor skills because your kids will use their hand, finger. They'll develop the hand eye coordination. They'll have to look at this and move their hands to pop it. So definitely it is a very good activity, very good fine motor skill activity, and it helps in developing hand eye coordination in your kids. Develops visual perception skills, helps in color and size discrimination. Obviously here you can see it's red in color, here it's yellow color, here it's green color, here it's blue color. So definitely it's a multicolored toy. It will help your kid to differentiate the various sizes and colors. Main thing, it helps to develop memory and brain power. This will also help your kids to develop logical and reasonable thinking capacity. It is a very good thing to use for developing logical skills. You can use this as a coaster, you can use this as a placemat, you can use this as a frisbee to your pets if in case you're having a pet. This is good for kids who deal with autism or who deal with sensory disorder problems. This will definitely help them to overcome whatever disorder they are facing. But not the least, endless cycle and endless fun. So what are you guys waiting for? Go and order this stress reliever for your kids. I mean, even parents can play with this. You can also play and have fun. You can also engage with your kids and play with this. It will produce sound, a mild pop sound, as you can hear. So yeah, it's a very good thing. So please do give it a try and buy it for your kids. Even for those who are working from home, it's a very good stress reliever. I'll try to mention the link of this product in the description box from where you can purchase. I'll try to mention the Amazon link. So do go and buy this and have fun.